Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Citrix Workspace step by step. We'll cover how to access remote desktops, applications, and files securely so you can work from anywhere with ease. Organizations face the challenge of delivering consistent, secure, and seamless access to resources for employees, regardless of their location. Citrix Workspace rises to meet this challenge by unifying apps, desktops, data, and collaboration tools into a single digital experience. Designed for enterprises and growing teams alike, Citrix Workspace empowers users to stay productive on any device while ensuring IT has complete control over access, security, and compliance. Whether you're managing legacy software, integrating cloud services, or rolling out virtual desktops across a distributed workforce, Citrix provides a modern approach to work without compromising performance or safety. In this video, we'll walk through Citrix Workspace's most valuable features, explain how they improve both IT operations and employee workflows, and demonstrate why it remains a top choice for secure digital workspaces. So for its key features and benefits, first is the unified digital workspace. Citrix Workspace brings all your business tools, applications, desktops, and file repositories into one secure centralized interface. From a single dashboard, users can launch cloud apps, virtual desktops, local resources, or SaaS tools without juggling logins or platforms. This streamlines the user experience, reduces login fatigue, and minimizes confusion for remote and hybrid teams. This centralization also helps improve onboarding and day-to-day navigation for all employees. Another key feature is the secure remote access. Security is built into every layer of Citrix Workspace. Features like contextual access policies, single sign-on, and zero-trust architecture help ensure that only the right users can access sensitive company data. Admins can enforce location-based access, endpoint security checks, and session timeouts. This ensures corporate data is protected even on unmanaged personal devices, while giving employees the flexibility to work from anywhere. This reduces risk while supporting productivity. Another key feature is the app and desktop virtualization. With deep integration of Citrix virtual apps and desktops, users can securely run full desktop environments or individual apps hosted in the cloud or on-prem. This is especially useful for delivering legacy Windows apps that aren't web-enabled. This extends the life of legacy applications, improves compatibility, and gives users a high-performance virtual desktop experience without requiring local installation. Another key feature is the flexible deployment options. Citrix Workspace can be deployed fully in the cloud, on-premises, or in a hybrid model, giving businesses the flexibility to adapt based on infrastructure, compliance, or cost considerations. Citrix Cloud Services simplify management, updates, and scaling. This enables a phased or strategic migration to the cloud without interrupting daily operations, ideal for enterprises that need a balance of innovation and control. Another key feature is the integrated file access and sharing. Citrix content collaboration is tightly woven into Workspace, offering secure file sharing, version control, and team collaboration. Users can preview, edit, or comment on documents directly within the platform. No need to jump between storage solutions. This reduces reliance on third-party file sharing tools and enhances team collaboration, even across departments and time zones. It improves security while simplifying document management. So why is Citrix Workspace a great choice? Citrix Workspace is a robust solution that excels in environments where secure, scalable, and centralized access is critical. Its ability to unify legacy systems, modern cloud apps, and secure file sharing in one intuitive interface makes it a smart fit for today's hybrid workforce. In 2025, Citrix continues to innovate with AI-powered automation, better integration with third-party apps like Microsoft 365 and Zoom, and enhanced analytics for IT teams. The platform is designed to work for companies of all sizes, whether you're a mid-sized business expanding into remote work or a global enterprise managing complex compliance needs. Citrix is particularly beneficial in regulated industries such as healthcare, government, finance, and legal, where user authentication, data privacy, and access control are paramount. So basically, Citrix Workspace delivers more than just remote access. It redefines the way organizations approach work. By bringing together applications, desktops, and collaboration tools in one platform, it ensures your team stay productive and secure no matter where they are. So for businesses aiming to streamline operations, reduce IT overhead, and provide a high-quality user experience in remote and hybrid models, Citrix Workspace stands out as a reliable, scalable, and secure choice. So whether you're launching a digital transformation initiative or optimizing a remote workforce, Citrix provides the tools to do it with confidence. So now is the time to take control of your remote infrastructure and empower your workforce with Citrix Workspace, a smart investment for secure, flexible, and efficient work in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Citrix Workspace and securely access your remote desktop and applications with ease. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical software, remote work, and business tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.